Hey, Shasa, Bolton here. I'd like to show you what inspired me to set up my room of mechanical sculpture and automata. About 8 years ago, I was travelling through Rudesheim, Germany, and I came across something very similar to this. It's a singing bird automaton. This one was made by Symphonium in the tradition of the Griesbaum family, who made them from 1905 to 1980s. Let me show you some of the inner workings. Here you can see two small bellows which pump up the larger reservoir bellows. The bellows release air into the small whistle. The front rod is opening and shutting a valve to let air into the whistle, and the rod just behind is controlling the position of a slide inside of the whistle to alter the pitch. These rods are controlled by cam followers, which are running on cams directly on the main spring barrel. You can see another cam on top of the barrel, and this is controlling a rod which extends up into the bird to open and shut the mouth and move the tail. You can order a singing bird automaton like mine from exquisiteandrare.com. Details in the description. I wanted to make something similar to this, which could be purchased and put together by the everyday person. And here's what I came up with. This is a design of mine. The bellows are underneath the wings, and they're actually made from a pair of rubber gloves, and there's a little whistle inside the bird's body. There's a crank which drives the body of the bird forward and backwards, and cables around the body which attach to the head and the tail, causing the head to turn and the tail to dip. I've also made a clock kit which you can put the singing bird on top of to turn him into an alarm clock. If you're interested in one of my singing bird kits, they are available on my website www.contraption-cart.com. Feel free to share this video or like the Facebook page. I'm Shasa Bolton. Thanks very much for watching.
Contraption-cart.com